Hi everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a empty apartment tour of my new place. If you're interested in seeing where I moved to, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. So here is an empty apartment tour. Here's the coat closet. This is the entrance. And the laundry room. Nice space. And here's the kitchen. I love this kitchen. So here's the kitchen. It has these lights on the island. Here's the living room. This is the living room right here. It's not that big. And then this area is the dining room. This is one of the bedrooms, the master. So all the appliances are stainless steel. And then I have the really big sink. The dishwasher. And then the cabinets are really high. So I'm gonna need a stool because I don't reach all the way up there. And then this right here is the coffee bar. So not all the apartments have it, but this one had it. And I love the counters, which is marble. And then the backsplash is all white. It's so pretty. I love the floor here. So I am so in love with this kitchen. I searched so many apartments and this was the one that did it because of this kitchen. And the island is so big. I just love, look how, this is so big and so pretty. I love, love, love my kitchen. This island is really big. And in the kitchen on both ends of the island, the plug has USB, so you can charge your phones. And the walls here are a light gray, and then the floor is also a light gray. The ceilings are 9 feet tall. gray, and it's the same color as the floor. So I love that, and I love this floor. So there's the light, you can see the floor better. And the color of the walls. Here's the master bath. Shower. 2 sinks. And look at all this cabinet space. I love that. Here's another closet. Linen closet. And this is in the master bathroom. And here is the master closet. It's just a little bit smaller than the one I had at home. This is the second bedroom. And this is the second closet. This right here is the second bathroom. I love the shelves on the wall they put there. And then look at all these cabinets. So this one doesn't have a linen closet, but it has all this right here for the linen. So yes, this is my new place. Small, and I love it. This right here is my little balcony, and this is a storage closet right there. This is my balcony.